everybody, this is Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, which stands for Diamond Painting Addiction Adventures with Jennifer. So, this was inspired by Ashley. Oh my goodness, Ashley, with all your unboxings. I have spent several months looking at different subscription packages for subscription boxes, and I decided that this might be the box for me. So we're going to dive in and see. It's called Confetti. So here we go. Spin it around. Yeah. It's taped here. I'm going to cut it. All right, so let's see. It says that it was the 2019 award winner for the U.S. Subscription Box Awards. And it's the Confetti Collection Box. If you want to follow them on Facebook or Instagram. And I don't even know what's in here. Oh my goodness, so see, it's pretty bubble wrapped. And we're going to go through this together. Let me move this over. Oh my goodness. Alright, I was going to pull this out, but it's bubble wrapped with all of this paper. And the paper is really pretty. It's got some white paper, but then it's got some of the cellophane paper. So instead, we're just going to open this. Isn't that pretty? Alright, so it says Confetti Collection sticker. Now, the reason I picked this is I love stationery, I love pens and paper, and just self-care products. And this just seemed like it had a little bit of everything. Look how pretty that is, guys. Surprise! Okay, so this says surprise. Ooh, this is a treasure hunt box. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's really taped on here. It says, who doesn't love the thrill of a treasure hunt? We've curated some of our favorite treasures just for you, so start hunting through this box and see what they are. We'd love to see your unboxing videos and photos. Use the hashtag Confetti Collection Box when you post them. Alright, so here we go. Let's dive in here and see what we got. Alright, so I'm just going to take this bag out, and we're going to put this box aside. And this subscription is, I believe it's $19 a box, and you get it every other month. And you can save money, I think, and make it $17 a box if you pay for the whole year. And what I like is they advertise that everything is going to match. So here we go. It's like a party in a box. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay. So here are some notes. Okay, so it's this beautiful box, and inside is this memo pad. There's 200 sheets. So you can take the ribbon off, and now you have this beautiful stack of memo notes. It is sealed at the top, so they're not going to fall out. But isn't that beautiful? Notes. Okay, then what I liked about this is it was kind of like a party in a box. So there's these beautiful napkins and some ribbon for wrapping. This is everything in its place. This little catch-all tray. This will be great here on my diamond painting. Maybe up-class my trash tray or anything else. And then you've got this pretty bow. This is a little tassel. So far it looks like everything's coming from C.R. Gibson. Yep, C.R. Gibson. C.R. Gibson. So this is a little tassel. Let's open it up and see what we've got here. It's like a little faux leather. It's pink, white, and gold. So it matches. Oh, it's a bottle opener. Look at that. So it's a little tassel bottle opener. How fun is that to upclass your party? Okay, so let's stick this back in here.
And put it as a keychain.
So it doesn't. Okay. We've got this Wake Me Up When the Booze Cart Comes Around sleeping mask right here. I'm going to open it and see the quality of it. So it's like a foam in there. Super cute. It's pink in the front, gold in the back. It's kind of memory squishy foam. It's great. Put this back in here. And I'm putting all this back so I don't get dog hair on it because my dog's going crazy right now. Look at this. This is a flamingo bag, right? So everything's matchy-matchy, so I really like that. You could put a wine bottle in here. You could put other storage things in here. Super cute. Goes with the pink theme. And then, last but not least, are these file folders, right? So you get 2 of each kind. They have the little labels on the back, and then you can see below there's one that says files, one that says notes, one that says list. Right there you can see there's a parrot, there's lines, and then what is that? Toucan? Is that a toucan? I keep thinking Fruit Loops. So look, this, you get all of this stuff for $19 plus shipping, and I absolutely love it. It all matches. So yes, I don't know why they do the wonderful packing material. Don't know if you're supposed to like give these out as gifts or whatever, but I will definitely be keeping this stuff. I know I'll use the face mask. The bottle opener is really cool. I'll definitely be upclassing my craft table with this. I love accessories, so I'm going to be taking these to work. Awesome. And also the notes as well. So definitely check them out. See if you like them. I can't wait to see what they have next. So this was this, I'm not sure if it was October, November, or if it was September, October, or November, December. I'm thinking it's November, December, because I ordered this in November and then they sent it out. So if you order it now, this might be what you get. And they call it the Treasure Hunt Box. So super excited. Check them out. And until next time, I'm going to go off and diamond paint. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.